What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about the 3 methods that you can use right now inside your credit repair business to go out here and get more credit repair clients. Now, the 3 funnels we're going to talk about is the IG Facebook ad funnel, the DM ad funnel, and the follower ad funnel. Now, if you follow this process, you shall see more leads coming in, more conversations, and then more sales. I know that to be true because I actually do it inside my company. I actually do it with my private clients. So I know a lot of people telling you do this, do that, but they're not actually running it and doing it themselves. And that's the problem. So in this video, follow exactly what I say. And I'm not Jesus. I'm not saying follow me. You know what I'm saying? Like that. But listen, if you follow this process, you shall see results. So let's dive right in. So the first funnel we're going to go over is the IG and Facebook direct response funnel. This is where your ad will be. This is the cold traffic area. So this is the people who don't know you. These are ideal clients. You know, these are the people that you trying to pretty much get your business in front of. What you want to have is the ad that's pretty much saying, hey, we can help you. This is what we do, different things like that. And then you want to have your Instagram, your YouTube, your Facebook content nurturing. You want to have some content up to where they can kind of get an idea of what your message is, like how you can help them in a way. This will kind of give them an idea of like, okay, they talking about this, they can do this, but they still cold. They don't really know you yet. So that's why you in this cold phase. But now when you get to warming them up, what you want to do from these ads is send them to your opt-in page. The opt-in page will be getting a name, number, and email. And the reason you get a name, number, and email is because you want to email them, text them, different things in your CRM that'll lead them back to the VSL. You want them to watch this VSL, which is the video sales letter, so that they can get more information on how you can help them, what you do, different things about you and who you are, just so they can get more warmed up. So now they going from, hey, I seen this person, I don't really know them yet, you know, let me just opt in to get more information about what they do. Now, once they opt in, they get more warmed up. Now, once you text them, once you send them emails and different, you know, value throughout the emails and stuff like that, then plus they see the VSL, now they in the warmed up process. They kind of know who you are a little bit, what you can do, different things like that. You doing that so you want to, because you want to pre-sale them before they even get on the call. The main thing you want to do in this Instagram and Facebook direct response funnel is get them to watch the video so they can book a call. So because some people want to watch this VSL and book a call, they got a problem, they see like, oh yeah, you can help us out, let me just go ahead and book a call with them and get help, you know. So once you take them through this process, once they book a call, now they hot, they ready, because they already seen different value points where that they see. Now they already seen different ways that you can help them out. Now they more hot, they more ready to buy. That's through the VSL to get them to book a call. And so once they do that, then you got a pre-call system to where like you send them information before they get on the call. And then once they get on the call, they close. And so this is more of a direct response. Watch the VSL, book a call. Here go some case studies. Here go a few more tips and things that you can do that'll help you out before you even get on the phone call with us. And so that'll walk them through that first ad funnel. And so it's like some clients like that. Some clients just, they don't want to take all day. They see a VSL, they see exactly what you're doing, what you're selling. Hey, let me just go ahead and get it. And so you got those type of clients. Now moving on over to the DM ad funnel, it's pretty much the same thing, but now we running ads to pretty much get them to message us. And so we'll say DM us credit, DM us FHA, DM us 700, different things like that to get them to message us so we can start that conversation, and then still send them to a VSL, still message them in a way to get them to book a call. You know, so if you look over here from the DM ad funnel, we got the same process, the cold traffic, warm them up, and then get them hot to book a call. We still have the YouTube content. We still have the Instagram content. You know, whichever platform that we own, we still want to have that content there, because these people will be coming from different angles. So this person coming from a DM ad that they saw, and then now they still don't know you. They still cold traffic because it's a cold traffic ad, you know. So you still want to have content up to where they can still understand what you're doing, the messaging that you're using to pretty much to get clients. Once they see that, you want them to DM you. So they see the DM ad, they DM you, and you can send them directly to the VSL. So like you can send them to a free training. They can DM you training, and you just, hey, thank you for reaching out. Boom, send them the training. Or you can take them through like a DM phase of like messaging you credit, then you ask questions, you qualify them, different things like that, and then you tell them to book a call. So either way, you pretty much getting them to book a call through the VSL or the DM framework. And so in the DM, you can also send them the VSL in the DM. And so, but the VSL is still going to send them to book a call. This is the same process. It's just a different way of doing it because now these people want to have a conversation with you. And so some people, like I said, some people directly want to see the VSL and then boom, they book a call with you ready to go. But then some people want to have a conversation with you. They want to ask a few questions before they watch the VSL or after they watch the VSL. And then in their messaging framework, you can be able to see, what type of client they are. Are they qualified? What's the pain points? Different things like that. And then you get them to book a call. And then same thing, you have a pre-call system to where, you show them testimonials. You answer different questions through your pre-call system. Now, once they get on the phone, they ready to buy. This is what I mean by from a cold lead. They coming in, don't know nothing about you, warming them up, having a conversation, showing them different, just figuring out what they going through, what they want to be at, different things like that. They watch the VSL, they getting warmed up, they know exactly how you can help them, why you help them, like what you can help them do. So they know like how you can help them, the way you can help them, different things like that. And then that'll be able to warm them up. And then now you just move to the hot phase where now they hot, ready to buy because they see how you can help them and the way you do it. That's the second funnel. And so these two funnels right here can change the game for you. So if you see the Instagram and Facebook ad funnel plus the DM ad funnel, if you use these two, like this right here can change the game completely for you. Now, this is from people seeing your ad saying like, hey, yeah, let me get that free training. Let me watch what they talking about. Let me see exactly what they talking about like in the VSL. And then you got a DM ad that's running saying, hey, DM us this and I'll send you more information, or I'll send you this PDF. I'll send you this video, this training, something like that to get them to engage with you. These are people that just coming from the ad, but you also need to be building up your audience. And so building up your audience is super, super important. Because if you're doing retargeting ads, or if you're just posting your content, different reels and different things like that, you want to have that audience that's already following you. So that's why we have the following ad, because you could be doing this. Just say if you wasn't running ads and you did something telling people to DM you. If they not your ideal client, they not going to DM you. And so you want to have people that's following you that maybe didn't pull the trigger right then, but they still following you. So now you can still get those people from your followers to come back over to DM you and start that conversation. And so that's why it's important to do the third funnel, which is the follow ad funnel. Follow ad funnel is the same phase, the cold, warm, and hot. So on this cold phase, it's like you telling people, hey, follow you that don't know you. You giving them information, then you just telling them follow you for more information. And so or for more training. And so once these people follow you, they're going to be cold, just like before. They're going to be cold traffic. And that's why you want to have your YouTube content, your IG content, TikTok content, whichever platform you're on, you want to have that content over there where once they follow you, they can get more information. They can kind of still see what's the messaging. So it's just the same as the other funnels, but you still just want to have that for each funnel that you run. You want to have that information, those videos, that content up there to where you can nurture the new people that's coming in. And like I said, clear messaging. You want to have that clear messaging across the board for all your cold traffic, because the cold traffic is the people who do not know you. And I know I keep repeating myself, but it's important to know these people do not know you, which that's why I got IG content. So we normally do the follower ads on Instagram. So you want to have your pin post, the content that you know your followers going to come in. As soon as they come in, they're going to click on your pin post. And once they see the pin post, you want to have it to be valuable content from the people who just followed you from the follower ad. And as soon as the people follow you from the follower ad, that's cold. You want to message them. So you want to have your seller message them, or you want to message them, which is starting that DM again. And so you can see it's a DM to the VSL to the book call, or it's the DM qualify them to the VSL to the book call, or it's just the ad to the opt-in to the VSL to the book call. So you still going to get them to book a call no matter what you do, but it's just the way you go about doing it. And so I hope y'all getting this breakdown that I'm saying. And I know I'm repeating myself a little bit, but that's because the funnels all work the same way. We want to make sure they get the VSL to warm them up. We want to make sure they have a conversation with us to warm them up. And so each phase is going from cold to warm to hot. And if you take these funnels and implement this the way I'm saying it, it's no way it would not work. It's gotta work. It gotta work this way. And so this is what we do. We're gonna have our seller message them. So once the seller messages them, it'll start the DM conversation. So we'll start the conversation, and either we're gonna send them to the VSL, or we're just gonna send them to book a call. Because some people might come in, you ask them a few questions, they might be ready to buy because they saw the YouTube content, they saw the Instagram content, they already warmed up. And so once they get warmed up, they might be like, okay, yeah, I already saw that video, or, oh yeah, let me check this video out. And then they're going to come back and book a call from their video, or they're going to message you back, and then you can have that conversation to get them to book a call. And then the same thing, having that pre-call system that's already set up to where you can show them testimonials, you can show them different value points, different pain points that they dealing with. You can answer those questions through the pre-call system. They'll be hot prospects, and from the hot prospects, that pretty much mean they ready to buy. And so once they buy that, then you make more sales. So yeah, guys, that's the 3 funnels. So we got the IG and Facebook ad funnel, then we got the DM ad funnel, then we got the follower ad funnel. Now, if you implement either one of these funnels, you shall see an increase in revenue. But also, if you do all 3, it's going to change the game for you. So like I said, this is what I do in my company. This is what me and my private clients do to even just get it off the ground and rolling. So this is 3 funnels that you can use inside your company right now. And you can go out here and start making more sales. So if you need help with setting up your cold traffic mechanism, your warm traffic mechanisms, or your hot traffic mechanism, so like your pre-call system, your VSL, your opt-in, your ads, anything like that, message me on Instagram, or just book a call below, just like I just gave you guys. So book a call, let me know if you need help, and I'm here to help out. I'm out.